Ever wondered how to navigate the HyperOS update device list? Today we're going to crack the code. Imagine a world where maneuvering through the HyperOS update device list is as easy as pie. Picture yourself gliding through options, knowing exactly where to click and what to look for. Today we're making that world a reality. Step 1, you'll open your HyperOS. From the home screen, navigate to the system settings. There, find and click on the System Update option. This is the gateway to the world of HyperOS updates. In Step 2, you'll find yourself in the System Update menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Device List. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. Step 3 is all about exploration. You're now in the Device List menu. This is where all your connected devices that run on HyperOS are listed. It's a comprehensive list, so don't be surprised if you see devices you've forgotten about. Step 4 involves more navigation. Each device in the list comes with its own set of options. Click on a device to see what's available. This could include options for updates, device information, and more. The final step, Step 5, is all about action. Once you've found the device you want to update, click on the Update option. Your device will now start updating its HyperOS. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to navigating the HyperOS update device list. To recap, first, open your HyperOS and go to the System Settings. Find the System Update option. Second, in the System Update menu, click on the Device List option. Third, explore the Device List menu. Here, you'll find all your connected devices. Fourth, click on a device to see what options are available for it. And finally, once you've found the device you want to update, click on the Update option. Navigating the HyperOS update device list doesn't need to be a daunting task. With these steps, you'll be a master in no time. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. So why not take that step today? Explore the HyperOS update device list and unlock a world of possibilities.